Fortify your why for achieving your goals. Fortify your why for achieving your goals. Your why is the fuel to keep you going so that you will achieve the goals in spite of chaos, change, transition, in spite of everything that's going on around you, personally or professionally. The bigger your why, the more likely you're going to have the grit, the determination, the endurance, the perseverance to stay the course in spite of obstacles and in spite of setbacks. Let me give you a few examples. I can think of a client who she was training for all of these, Ironmans and different athletic events because she wanted to reconnect with how great she felt, how strong she felt as a competitor when she used to compete before. She loves that feeling. She loves the joy. She loves, mind, body, and soul, what that represented for her. I'll give you a personal example or two. Last weekend, I had so many setbacks as I was preparing for a women's coaching program, Move from Fear to Freedom and Create a Life You Love. I had tech difficulties with a fatal error. And I thought, fatal is not good. It's not good. That does not sound good. Fatal error in terms of technology on a brand new platform. And there was no tech support over the weekend. I walked out and into my kitchen and there was this huge pool of suds that were forming from my dishwasher that was leaking for some reason. Among other things, I bit a piece of candy and cracked and broke off one of my front teeth. And, so many more things. And I have to tell you that what kept me going was my why. It was my why that was connected to the goal, my values-based goal. And that why is I was preparing for women who were committed and they said yes to themselves. They said yes to moving from fear into more freedom. They had expectation, and I want to champion wholeheartedly anyone who is going to have that kind of fierce determination to face their fears and create a life they love personally and professionally. So no matter what it was going to take, I continued to take the next step forward to figure out a resolve for each scenario to stay the course. I will tell you, during the 2020 and 2021 pandemic years, also my why was I wanted inner peace. I craved inner peace, like mind, body, soul. I just wanted peace in my life. And so that why was so big that I did whatever I needed to do to maintain a positive mental health. I was pulling out all the tricks in the success toolbox, from dressing my truth to build resilience, to living in truth and speaking my truth, to be in integrity to who I was. So there wasn't anything eroding my self-confidence, championing the truth, like searching the truth for what was going on around me. I'm keeping short accounts in terms of not being bitter or angry or holding grudges, to name a few. And one of the things that I finally did, in getting the right amount of sleep and getting the right amount of nutrition. But one thing I finally started to do in the spring was run. I just started running because it really freed up my mind space and gave me a peace and a clarity, and the endorphins, right, fueled peace of mind. And so I ended up running 2 half marathons in about 6 months or less. That was only because my why was so big, was so amplified, was so ignited by my desire for inner peace. What's your why? What's your why that you associate with any one of your values-based goals? Again, When your values are clear, your decisions are easy. When you tie your goals to your values, you then are more likely to come in alignment with what really matters, what's really important and meaningful in your life. When you understand the why behind it, the why. What's the reason for the fight? What's the reason for the tenacity? What's the reason for the perseverance? The stronger that is, the more likely you will stay the course in the face of adversity. My name is Kim Peterson, and I am the brand style and confidence coach for the whole you, mind, body, and soul, and of course, style, championing your confident breakthroughs on the inside and out. Make it a great day, and bye for now.